Spending more time at home can make your space less hygienic. So where should you begin? First of all, declutter. If your deep clean is going to be effective, you have to start by getting as many of your unnecessary and larger household items out of the way first. Then work your way from top to bottom. The best thing to do is to start with the top high places. Leave the floors to the last thing. Make sure you attack high-touch surfaces, such as doorknobs, light switches, refrigerator and microwave doors, drawer handles. Use soap and water or disinfectants, since both are effective in protecting your home from the coronavirus. Be thorough. A spray and a vigorous wipe should do it, but don't get lazy here. Be sure to get the entire surface. Make sure you tackle one room at a time. When it comes to the actual cleaning, don't multitask. Tackle cleaning one room at a time, completing each room, then moving on to the next. Remember your bed. Beds can really collect dust. Even if covered by a protector, mattresses are prone to pick up dust particles, dust mites, and debris. For better cleaning, clean both sides of your mattress with a vacuum cleaner, ideally with a fully sealed filtration system.